Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making breakfast because it is a collaboration with Tiffany over at Small Town 6, where we are bringing you guys a challenge where we're going to be making our favorite breakfast food. So one of my favorite cereals is Cinnamon Toast Crunch right here. But when I was in Kroger, getting ready for coming back off of vacation and trying to find some food for us, I end up picking up this. This is a Cinnamon Toast Crunch Complete Cinnadust Pancake Mix. It comes with the pancake mix, Cinnadust cereal topping, and you just have to add water or milk. And it shows you on the side that there's also a Lucky Charms pancake mix. So if these turn out fabulous, like I think they are, I'm gonna try the next one. So anyways, I will need 1.5 cups of water or milk. So I think I'm gonna use milk. I wanna see what that's gonna do if I use milk. And it says it makes about 16 pancakes. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. Make sure you check out the playlist after you check out this video. All right, so I have milk, and then I have the box, and I have a bowl. I have my 1.5 measuring cups. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready to measure out the milk. Well, can't cook anything on my stove until I at least clean this mess up. So I am using my Jaws disinfectant to clean up this spaghetti mess I made last night. So I got my handy dandy butter. Right, so now I'm going to be using a fork. Okay, now that it's whisked up completely, I am now going to sprinkle Cinnadust over the batter in the bowl, but I'm going to gently stir it in about 6 to 8 times and not stirring completely. Okay, midway through getting ready to fix the pancakes, and I just have to do a smell test. Oh my God. Honestly, it smells just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Y'all, let's make these pancakes. So the butter has heated up. I'm gonna go ahead and so I have my plate ready. All right, so it's time to take them off. Notice that on the bottom of these, they're not burnt. They are just cooked thoroughly. And there is my 3 pancakes. Now it's time to add the CTC, which stands for Cinnamon Toast Crunch topping. All right, got some more cooking. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and put the topping on top of these good old pancakes. So there we have it. All right, so I'm sitting down to eat my Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancakes. And I'm gonna give it my honest and true opinion. It's good. It So my honest and true reaction to the pancakes is that it definitely tastes like the cereal. The cinnamon taste. I think that the cereal on top is just extra. It definitely tastes amazing. Oh, before I even got this box, I already had the Cinnadust and I was using it to make butter Cinnadust bread, where I would just take the bread, melt some butter on it in the oven, and sprinkle some of this on top when it came out. But this is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust seasoning blend. It is great for toast, cookies, ice cream, and more. The ingredients in this is simply just sugar, cinnamon, salt, sunflower oil, natural flavoring, and yeah, it's a taste that you can't resist. It's a crazy delicious cinnamon blend that delivers the taste that you love with notes of caramel, vanilla, and graham flavor. So you can blast your favorite foods. You can sprinkle it on toast, yogurt, ice cream, fruit, or popcorn. And you can also mix it into cookies, pancakes, oatmeal, or coffee. I definitely do put this into my coffee when making these little cappuccinos that I make at work. Thanks guys so much for watching my Cinnamon Toast Crunch Complete Cinnadust Pancake Mix Kit, and to see my honest review and my honest opinion. I definitely would recommend these to everyone. Definitely I will be trying the Lucky Charms one next. So go ahead and look in my description box for that playlist linked down below.